welcome to my channel where I upload videos on simplicity and joyful living. If this is your first time here, my name is Helen Yan. I am a master KonMari consultant and trained professional organizer. I love to explore different aspects of the KonMari method, philosophy, and intentional living. And if you are looking to simplify your life to make more room for joy, then you are in the right place. Today is kind of a different video. I probably should have waited to make this video, but I'm just really excited. I just got a package today and it's from Merit Beauty. So Merit Beauty had reached out and asked if I would like to receive their new lipstick as well as some of the other items from their collection. So I thought I would just try it. It's like 8 p.m. right now and that's why the lights are dark. I'm in my bedroom. This is usually the time I get ready for bed, but I just couldn't wait. So I really wanted to just open this package and see what it is. So let's get started. So the box says less is more. Love that. Before I kind of get into this, I am of the philosophy that everyone should have a minimum amount of makeup. I definitely used to be a makeup addict. I had so much makeup. After my KonMari journey, I completely changed. And I think I have talked about this before, so I'm gonna link that video above. Yeah, so I do have a very small makeup collection right now, and I love what I have, and which is why I don't really try new products, because whenever something runs out, I just buy the same one. And I am very interested in trying out Merit Beauty because they do have a minimalist philosophy and the ingredients are clean. So there's just so much in that company that I feel like is in alignment with the way I like to live. Anyway, so I hope I really like these. And let's see, Merit lipstick you can live in. So this is their new collection. It's called the Signature Lip, comfortable color, lightweight, buildable satin finish. Good, I like all those things. Clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I'm definitely a lipstick wearer. I love lipsticks. I'm not a big fan of lip gloss because I just don't like that sticky texture. However, last time I did unbox the Merit Beauty lip oil. Yeah, and I loved it. And those were awesome. And I do still really like them. But I'm excited to try these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my makeup and then I am going to open these items and try them on with you to get a first impression. Okay, so my makeup is off and all I did is I put some of this moisturizer on, which is something I usually would wear under foundation. And so the first thing I'm going to open is called the Minimalist foundation. I am a little nervous about this. I didn't know what color to choose, and so I went to Sephora and the girl there matched me to, I think it's a color called Linen, and I felt like it was too light, so I asked for the next match and it was called Ecru, and I thought it was a good match, but I wasn't sure. And both of those colors were out, but I really wanted to try this foundation. So I chose the darker color and it's called Sand. So if it's too dark for me right now, it would still be okay in the summer. I'm a little nervous about trying this right now, but we're gonna see what happens. So this is what it looks like. And I also have the brush. So this is the brush number 1. And I just want to thank Merit Beauty for sending all this stuff to me. And so it's always really fun, especially when it's like something that I want to try. I'm so picky about makeup and that's why I don't try a lot of stuff. And so this is what it looks like. As you can see, yeah, maybe it's a little bit dark, I don't know. So I think what you're supposed to do, I usually don't use stick foundation, but I think you just, actually it's not too bad. Actually, this might be a good match. I have no idea how to put this on, so I'm just drawing on my face. Now, I know I look ridiculous. Things we do, right? Okay, so I'm gonna try this brush and see what happens. So my first impression is that it's blending very, very nice and that this feels weightless on my face. So usually I use, I think it's called a CC cream, and I use my fingers. So the brush is definitely a much nicer experience. It just feels nice. I'm gonna go check in my bathroom mirror and see if this is a good color. Okay, I'm back. And after checking it in my washroom with proper lighting and, you know, my makeup mirror that I normally use, this is actually the perfect color match for me. and if I were to buy it again, I would still get this color. And I really like the finish of this, so I am excited to keep trying the rest. Okay, so this was called a Flash Balm, and I chose it in the color Beverly Hills. Now, I'm just gonna preface this by saying I normally would never buy a balm type blush because I am a huge fan of the powdered blush. So it's been a while since I tried anything other than powdered blush is what I'm saying. So how do you do this? Do you put it on directly or do you tap it? I'm gonna put it on my hands and then I'll tap it in. Okay. Putting on blush is like my favorite thing. Of all the makeup thing, if I only have time for two things, then I would do blush and I would do my eyebrows. Because as you can see, I have like almost no eyebrows, which is why I didn't choose to get a brow gel from Merit. I just don't feel like a brow gel would be enough for me to bring out my eyebrows because of the amount of hair that I have. See, I really like this when I first put it on like that. But I feel like as soon as I blend it, it disappears. So maybe I'll tap it instead of blending it. And my one thing is I never want it to feel sticky, and it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, this is a great color. Okay, I really like this too. Okay, so I'm gonna use my own eyebrow pencil to do the eyebrows just because I mentioned I did not get the brow gel. So let's finish this step first. I feel weird not having any eyebrows right now. So this is something that I use for many, many years. And this is from Shumura. Am I drawing it unevenly? Definitely unevenly. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can fix this. For those of you that overplucked your eyebrows in the 90s and you feel my pain, comment below. Okay, I think that's fine. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna go with it. So what is next? I am going to try the lipstick. So I have two, and one is called Slip, and the other one is called L'avenue. Let's open up Slip first, and this is what it looks like. And this is a really nice, hefty lipstick. It's very luxurious looking, which I appreciate. I always just love having a beautiful lipstick in my purse, in my handbag, I mean. And it's really nice. Okay, so this is the color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Let's see if you can see that. Okay, so let's give it a try. I really like this color. I think it's like a beautiful everyday color. Yeah. This is a great color. You know, I was unsure because usually nude colors does not really work for me because they make me look a little bit like lifeless. But I wanted to try this just to see what it is, and I really, really like it. This formula, super smooth. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try is the darker color. And this one, if I swatch it, so you can see I chose a darker color, and I did this because I wasn't sure if the lighter color is going to work out, and now that I really like the light color, I wonder what the darker color will do. So I am going to take off my lipstick and try this new color. Okay. You know, I really like this color too. Yeah, this is great. Both colors worked out. I think this could be my new speaking engagement color. And then Slip would be something I could wear just like on the daily. I love it. Okay, so yeah, this is a great color. I have two more items. So this one is called the Day Glow, and it's the color Cava. Now, this is something I'm also unsure about. I know I kind of say that about everything. So I'm not a big fan of stick makeup, but I am, oh, it's a little bit like wet. See? It smells fine, so it's not like gone bad or something. So I have no idea how to use a highlighter. So what I thought I would do is, I always see people kind of use it down their nose. So I'm just gonna draw it like that. And now I'm gonna use it on my eyelids. Oh yeah, so see, like if I draw it over my hands, you can see that there's like a shine, but it's not like glittery. And do that. And you know what I'm gonna do is I might just put some on my cheek. It's like a very nice sheen. Okay, and then I just have one last product, and this is called the Clean Lash. I'm pretty excited about this because mascara is something that I used to use daily, and I haven't had a mascara in my collection in a while, so I'm very excited to try this. And this is a really pretty minimalistic packaging. This is the Lengthening Mascara. So let's give this a shot. All right, okay, so that is the mascara. Now with mascara, I'm not gonna know if I love it until maybe a couple hours later to see if I look like a raccoon, but I think so far it's okay. Doesn't seem to have any clumping. Okay, so that is the full face. I am really excited about this because I mean it did take longer for me to do my makeup today because I was like trying to open up the packages, trying to figure out how to use these new products, and like just trying to do my makeup in front of my phone, using my phone as a mirror. And so that is everything. Lots of empty boxes. Thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending all these products to me. Let's talk about how I feel about them. Favorite product today? Definitely the lipstick. I have a really dry lip. I can never use a matte lipstick because it just makes my mouth look really weird. And so I really appreciate how moisturizing this is. And I also really like the colors. Now in terms of the two colors, I think last time this happened with the lip oil. I had two different colors and I couldn't decide which one I like better. And I actually just use both of them now. I think L'avenue is definitely something I would use more when I do like speaking engagements and when I do even like Zoom meetings and such. And then Slip is something I would use every day. I really like these lipsticks, so that would be my number one pick. Number two, I am going to surprise myself, but I'm gonna say I really like this foundation and I really like this brush. This brush feels amazing. The CC cream I use is not a natural formula, so I've been wanting something a little bit more natural, and I was hesitant to try the stick formula, but this blends really well. I remember the last time I tried a stick foundation, it was actually Tom Ford. The makeup artist reassured me that I would love it. I hated it. And so, I mean, at that point, I was really surprised because I was using a lot of Tom Ford makeup at that time and I loved everything that I have purchased it. And it was actually because of that foundation that I stopped buying Tom Ford. That's how much I disliked it. And so I think it was really hard to blend. This is great. And then number three, once again, surprised myself. I really like this blush. This is a really nice, lovely color. I really like how it's just like really subtle and it was super easy, and I really like this. Now, mascara. If I was doing an event, yeah, I would use the mascara, but I wouldn't use it for daily just because I like to keep things as simple as possible. Highlighter. You know, this one, I really like the subtle sheen that it gives. If I was doing something a little bit like a photo shoot or something, I would probably use this. But if I was just like on my daily 5-minute mom makeup, I would probably skip this. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, try on, first impression, trying to do everything late at night even though you should be going to bed video. If you have any questions or you want to try out Merit Beauty for yourself, I'm gonna leave my link that you can use. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe to my channel. And until next time, choose joy, live well.